Welcome to our Billing Application User Interface Overview. In this video, we will show you the application's features, such as how to create invoice templates and line rules, use the ServiceNow scheduled job, review, print, and send invoices to customers, and export invoices to accounts receivables. Let's start by creating an invoice template. Search for billing on your admin dashboard. Here, you can find your billing management and billing reports. Start by pressing Invoice Templates under Billing Reports. Press the New button to create a new invoice template. Start by filling in your customer details, such as name, customer reference, invoice name, your own reference person, and the next process. Then you can add your invoice description and the approval user, who will approve the invoice later on. After that, add your payment information. You can choose the penalty interest rate and payment term. Once you have filled in all the information, just press the Submit button and your invoice template will be created. Here is the invoice template we just created. Let's open it, so we can create invoice line rules for it. Press the New button to create a line rule for the invoice. Add the description for the line rule. For example, you can use laptops if that's the item being invoiced. Then you can add your cost center, the start date, the next process, tax percentage, and the base rate. Let's now add your source data from the Source Data tab. After you have filled in the source data, go back to the Finance and Continuity tab and press the Submit button. Here is the invoice line rule we've just created. You can add as many line rules as you need. To add a new line rule, simply press the New button and fill in the required information again. Click Submit when you're ready. We've now created two line rules for our invoice. Now I'll show you our ServiceNow scheduled job feature that generates invoices automatically. ServiceNow scheduled job is a scheduled script that runs every day at midnight. If there is an invoice to be billed according to the invoice template, the script will automatically create it. The account manager can review the invoices. Approval is sent to approval user and users in approval group set in invoice template. To request approval, press the Request Approval button. Go to the Approvers tab to view the status of the invoice. The invoice will be sent to the person we set as the approver. The approval user can then review the invoice and approve it. Once it is approved, the status will be updated to show as approved. You can effortlessly print and send invoices to customers, saving you time and boosting your business efficiency. To print, click the Preview Invoice button on the selected invoice. Then press the Print button and select the desired format. How easy is that? The account manager can export invoices to accounts receivable from the Export to Accounts Receivable tab. It displays invoices, which can then be exported and transferred to other systems. Let's create an exported Excel file of one of our invoices. Here's what the invoice looks like in the exported Excel file. Review your invoices effortlessly on the dashboard for a quick and easy overview. Go to Billed and Unbilled Customer Assets. Track both billed and unbilled customer assets effortlessly, ensuring your cash flow stays on point. Here is a list of billed invoices. And here is a list of unbilled invoices. Ready to streamline your billing process? Experience the future of effortless billing with the ServiceNow billing application. Contact us today to learn more about how our invoicing app can help your business thrive.